Hi, it's Jill from Chapman, and we are ready to reveal our 2024 environmental project. First, if you don't know who we are, we're Chapman Manufacturing. We have made 100% USA-made screwdriver sets since 1936 in Connecticut. Each year we pick a different environmental project, such as the ones you're seeing here. In previous years, we've focused on birds, butterflies, and bees, so this year we are going to focus on bat conservation. So why bats? Bats are essential to many ecosystems, and specifically for us in the Northeast, agriculture. The bats that are native to our area are capable of eating over 5,000 insects a night. Because the insects they eat are the crop pests that cost farmers billions of dollars annually, insect control by bats keeps down the prices of fruits and vegetables in your local marketplace. Before purchasing all of our supplies, we did a bunch of research, mainly with Bat Conservation International, batcon.org, and batworld.org as well. We discovered that the Chapman grounds would be a perfect location for a bat house. We found the perfect spot on our property that will get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day. It's away from all the bright lights. It's at least 25 feet away from any nearest tree branches, wires, or potential perches, and is within a quarter mile of water. Speaking of water, it has rained so much here this spring that digging this post hole was not easy. But we persevered and we worked together and we were able to make it work. If you want to learn more information about bat conservation, we strongly encourage you to visit batcon.org or batworld.org and find out how you can put a bat house near you.